Well, g'day everybody, and how are you? Well, it's been quite some time, hasn't it, since I've done a live show? Look, I'm going to do a live show this Friday night there in the States, 8 p.m. Eastern Time, and 10 p.m. here on Saturday. It's 10 p.m., 10 a.m. here on Saturday morning here in Australia. Look, I'm not going to give too much away. I'm going to have some really special guests on the panel this week, so hopefully you can come in and join us and have a bit of a laugh with us, and join in and come in on the panel too. Anyone who wants to join in, that'll be really great to see everybody. Look, the production team is going absolutely bonkers. They have lost their chops because we are doing another live show, and they're so happy to be back. They're in there waving right now. How are you? Not too bad. All right, no worries. Hey, I'll tell you what, come in, as I said, and enjoy yourself, and it'll be really great to see everybody again. It's been such a long time since I've seen everybody, as I've just said, so pop on in. That'll be absolutely fantastic. All right, take care all, and hopefully see you for the live show. See you later. Bye.